Hey Techies, welcome back. Here we will be creating AWS Skill Builder ID by using skillbuilder.aws, and then we will be exploring Skill Builder console. Then after that we will be creating free account by using our new email ID address by entering the name verification code to validate the email ID address or the person, right? Then after that you can able to log in and start learning. So let's jump into the browser, hit new tab, AWS Skill Builder .aws. So this is the home page. If you see here on right top corner, sign in and create a free account. If you have an account already, you can use this option, or else you can use this option to create a new account. Before creating the new account, let's explore what are the course offerings. So if you are the new to AWS Cloud, okay, if you want to build and practical skills on AWS console, if you want to get certified on any of the certification exams, you can use these options. If you come down, learn by cloud role, right? As I mentioned, solutions architect, developers, DevOps engineer, cloud sysops engineer, decisions maker, like a C-shoot, a business leaders, right? They can also use this option, particularly appropriated to their role and responsibilities. It will guide. And if you're specific to learn, start from the generative AI, machine learning, or compute, and even more, database, serverless storage, right? And so on. You can choose the product domain, and then you can start learning. So if you want to start from the certification perspective, it will also help you to gain a step-by-step guidance, like get to know the exam and exam style, which means exam pattern, what are the different domain kind of a specific questions you will be encounter, question types, multiple choices or multiple options. It will detail out those things, and you can refresh your existing skills or the knowledges with respect to the particular certification exams. And if you practice the exams, once after submit you will get the answers and results, right? So at the end you can also review your answers, either it is correct or wrong, and why it is correct, why it is wrong, so that you will get a detail, so that the step 4 will be making you to keep ready before really appearing for the exams. It is suitable for every exams. So like see, as a beginner at the foundational level, cloud practitioner, AI practitioner, an associate level, solutions architect, developer, data engineer, and so on, right? Till a specialty level, this many certifications that AWS offers. Based on your interest and current or future role, you can choose this, and this skill builder ID you can utilize to learn free. For most of these sources, around 600 plus sources are free, right? So if you deep dive below, you can also explore the digital classroom courses. The AWS experts will conduct online courses. You can join by using this, but it's a paid. Build the practical skills. So if you learn the courses and concepts of services and its feature and functionalities, if you want to get practice, as I mentioned, AWS Management Console Sandbox. In this environment, you can play around it and you can learn and explore and get a better understanding. So if you are better and feasible to interested in playing a game, right? So since if you are the beginner, you can play a game. By the game itself, all the concepts and features are incorporated. But you will be kind of playing a game, but around the game you will be learning skills and knowledges. And also you can use this builder labs, step-by-step concepts and prerequisites or other details, right? It will assist step by step. So if you want to know about real world challenges, what are the business challenges or the functionality challenges or resource challenges in launching or troubleshooting, right? Those challenges that AWS are incorporated in this exam. You can start exploring from here. So let's create a free account now. Click on create free account. This is the home page to create and sign in. So if you have an account, you can sign in, or else you can create. So different options. So here the Amazon employee who is directly working in the Amazon can able to use this option, or any partner network, which means if you are part of any organizations, they are a prime partner of AWS, you can use these options. And it is same for the SSO if you create your account. So the individuals can use this, either the builder ID or the organizational email SSO, right? Then the individuals, it is recommended for individuals to create and sign in. Click on create or sign in. Then after that, you will be redirected to this page. So you need to enter here your mail ID. So once again, validate your email ID before proceeding next. Okay, then click on next. You enter your name. Click next. You will be receiving a verification code. Paste the verification code and paste verify. So your email ID has been successfully verified. Then you are good to start. So confirm your password. Re-enter the password. Password matches. Type this captcha for secondary authentication and create a AWS Builder ID. After that, accept the terms and conditions. It includes AWS Learner and privacy notice. So accept the terms. And after that, enter your name. Verify your email ID. Choose country, job title, enter your job title. You can also, these are all the optional if you have. Otherwise, you can choose what's your goal for using the skill builder. So either if you want expanding the professional opportunities, or the company requires or support and end customers to gain a deeper understanding, right? So anyone which suits your current experience in AWS, you can choose. So to learn more about the new AWS services or prepare for the new certifications, right? You can choose this one. And the experience level. If you are the beginner or the moderate to advanced or specialty, based on that you can choose your current role. Based on your current role, you can also choose here like architect, backend developer, business analyst, consultant, data engineer, DevOps engineer, or full stack developer, IT administrator, whatever it might be. So I'm choosing the architect now. Your current industry, either it is agriculture, machine learning, engineering, financial services, healthcare, whatever it suits, you can choose the current industry. And if you are interested to receive latest updates on AWS certifications and training, you can choose this one. Else you can continue. So we have successfully logged into the AWS Skill Builder account using our Skill Builder ID. So if you see here, we don't have any active courses at this moment. So it is prompting that explore new skills, courses, and recommendations tailored to your profile. So same as we have seen, choose role-based or product domain-based. Either if you want to start explore or learn application integration, blockchain, developer tools, end-user computing, migration or transfer services, machine learning services, IoT, or serverless storage. Based on your interest, you can choose the domain. And if you coming to the build practical skills, these are the practical labs we can gain. So it is a cloud guest. It is a game based, and the real-time scenarios, which includes. And if you want to prepare for any examinations, particularly as we have discussed, a foundation level practitioner, associate level developer, sysops administrator, professional level, specialty, whatever it might be, based on the current role or the experience with respect to AWS, you can choose. So coming to the subscription, so these are the different level of support or the advanced materials that Skill Builder supports. So if you are the individual, if you pay $29 per month, okay, for a subscription, you can gain more enhanced and expert labs, including 1,000+ lab experiences, enhanced exam preparation, and solutions building, and more. If you are the still you are the individual, but if you want to subscribe for an year, this is the amount, 449 per year, a dollar, right? So if you are not an individual or a group of people, or you are running an organization, you can choose this option, team subscription, right? So that you can delegate access to the users and your team members to learn and practice. But these are all the paid. If you drop down below, whatever the benefits or the material we can gain access to, right? So if you scroll down here, if you are the free account, you're not paid, right? So these are the benefits: 600+ on-demand courses, including learning plans, standard exam preparation courses, certification question set, and for cloud practitioner, and digital batches. Digital batches is like a batch which will be provided to you based on the course completion and based on the domain you choose. Each and every courses and preparation, you will be receiving a certification or digital badges. So if you subscribe, right, still you are the individual, but if you subscribe, these are the additional benefits you will gain too. Digital classroom you can gain, including the preparation courses with practice materials, and unlimited access to 1,000+ hands-on labs you will gain access. So if you subscribe as a team, you can gain an other administrator dashboard, comprehensive reporting. You can delegate access through single sign-on. So these are the additional benefits. So as we are not ready to pay, we will be gaining access to free courses. So practical labs. So if you click on AWS Builder Labs, these are the different kind of builder labs, the way method of accessing either game or real-time scenarios, or advanced learning, right? It is prompting you to update the time. So update the time. So we have discussed, right, the different domains, DevOps, end user computing, the same whatever we have discussed, including migration and transfer and so on. If you are the beginner or the intermediate or the advanced, more than 5 years of experience, if you have, you can use these options to filter out. So I'm going to choose this free tier. So my domain is like cloud operations. I want to go with a free tier, which means not required to pay, right? So if you see here, AWS certified sysops administrator associate level, a standard exam preparation course, okay, which has a 3 hours. And if you want to have a practice question set for the same AWS certified sysops administrator, you can use this option. For an example, let me start the course preparation first. So see, it's a free. So about this course, if you drop down below, it has a 3 hours for the intermediate level candidate. Objective of this course, identifying how questions on AWS certified sysops administrator will be facing, and interpret the concepts that are being tested by the certification exams to validate your skill set and knowledge on the required and appropriate courses. What are the prerequisites? So at least 1 year of hands-on experience on provisioning, operating, and maintaining that servers or the applications which is running on AWS. If you are fulfilled with this prerequisite, you can good to go with this one, which has different modules. Like whatever the actual exam will cover, right? The same modules are covered here. Deployment, provisioning, and automation, module second, monitoring, logging, and remediation. In module 3, reliability and business continuity of the applications or the servers. And in the module 4, networking and content delivery. Finally, security and compliance in the module 5, and module 6 has the cost and performance optimization, right? So these are the modules which is covered within this free material itself. So if you are still paying, I would suggest you to enroll this free course and start learning. So if you start learning, see the same modules are listed here, and end of this course module, you will be gaining some certification as a batch or course completion. This is applied for each and every certification and role-based courses and learning materials. So likewise, you can start. If you want to start preparing for certification based, for an example, DevOps engineer, click on DevOps engineer professional. If you have 5 years more experience, you can good to go with this professional certification. This will be prompted in every home page. So for a professional DevOps engineer certification, you can download this exam guide, which has AWS ramp up guide is the guide which prepared by the AWS expert, which includes free, and wherever a dollar mentioned, these are all the paid courses, including the lab for AWS Fargate, ECS, right? So which has the fundamental and intermediate and advanced. If you scroll down little below, which has the monitoring, observability, centralized operations management, configuration and compliance auditing, provisioning and orchestration, right? So learning materials like additional labs, additional resources, you can gain in this ramp up guide. It is same as for every preparation certifications. For an example, click on the developer associate level. Yeah, for this, the same certification applies for AWS certified developer associate. You can use this download exam guide. Under this, you will gain a step-by-step guidance. So get to know about the exam style and exam pattern, what are the different domains that will be incorporated in the original exam, and the refreshment of exam AWS skills and knowledges by using this, right? So the exam step-by-step guidance also you can gain here, and you can review and practice your exams once after you completed this. So most of them are free, but if you want an extensive advanced guidance and exam materials and AWS experts guidance, right, support, if you purchase paid, you will gain access to the same as well. So before appearing for the actual exam, you will gain extensive knowledge and practice. That will be really helpful for you to gain deeper understanding as well. So this is how you can extensively use this. Click on the site menu. Here the dashboard, whatever the courses you have subscribed or enrolled, you will get to know. And here the courses and your activities. We will be subscribing or enrolling the courses, but we don't have an actual track of how long we are spending on each courses and how extensively we are utilizing the materials, even though if it is freely available, right? So to know the progress, day-to-day progress on each courses, right? It will be an auto-populated along with the progress and along with the course we are mainly performing, right? Based on the performance report, it will assist you, so that if you like if you set a target to complete this course within the next month or day after the 30 days month, right? So whatever the time period if you fix, okay, based on the progress and the performance of your the time which you spend on this portal, it will be automatically calculate, and based on that you can realign and spend time, right? So that you can easily get to know about AWS with a free of cost. So that's it. And finally, support. Under the support option, as we discussed, if you are the subscribed user, you will get to know about the very detailed plans and exam materials. And in this page, you can know and read about what is what kind of FAQ, right? So whatever the questions with respect to AWS Skill Builder, it is all incorporated here as a FAQ. You can start exploring here. If you come down, okay, if you need any help from AWS side, since you paid, if you are facing any issues, you can contact the AWS support by raising a ticket here. That's it. So I hope you liked it. Save this video now. Thank me later. All the very best. See you again.